All right, Money Grubs. I have got some excellent news for you. So Snakeskin, from the band Snakeskin, she felt kind of bad about my computer falling over and breaking, and so she agreed to send me a brand new laptop from her collection. I guess she has a lot of at home, which makes sense because if you're a musician, then obviously you're rich and you're gonna buy a lot of computers. Um, but the package just came today, and I really wanted to share this moment with you. So let me get the camera app. Get the camera app going. All right, and here we have our package. You can see it is wrapped in a pizza box because this episode of the Stock Roach is brought to you by Fresco's Pizzeria. So the laptop Pro is in this box. All I have to do is cut it open with the scissors. Shoot! Oh my god. Okay, everybody, just hang tight for a minute. I'm gonna go grab some tape. Okay. We're fine. We're fine. Alright, so a little bit of tape I was able to fix. The two halves are back together now. Soon be working normally, and video Bitcoin as promised. Alright. Stock-a-doodle-doo.